In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Similarweb extension from the Chrome Web Store. Now, if you're keen on gaining valuable insights into any website's traffic and performance, Similarweb is an invaluable tool that can provide you with a wealth of information. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to open your Chrome browser. Once you're ready, head on over to the Chrome Web Store. This is your go-to destination for finding all sorts of extensions to enhance your browsing experience. In the search bar at the top left corner, type in Similarweb and press Enter. In a moment, you should see a list of matching results. Look for the one labeled Similarweb, Traffic Rank and Website Analysis, and click on it. This will take you to the page where you can download the extension. Simply hit the blue Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension. In just a few seconds, Similarweb will be added to your browser. Next up, to maximize your efficiency, I recommend pinning the extension to your browser toolbar. To do this, look to the top right corner of your browser, where you'll see a puzzle piece icon, which represents extensions. Click on it, and a menu pops up showing all the extensions you have installed. Find Similarweb in this list. You'll notice a little pin icon next to it. Click this pin, and voila! The Similarweb icon now appears alongside your address bar for quick and easy access anytime you need it. Now that everything's set up, it's time to put it to use. Start by navigating to the target website you're interested in learning more about. Once you're there, it's a good practice to refresh the page to ensure you're getting the most up-to-date information. This is a simple yet important step to ensure the data you're viewing is as current as possible. With the web page refreshed, it's time to tap into the power of Similarweb. Head over to your browser toolbar and click on the Similarweb icon. This will open up a pop-up window jam-packed with valuable data. Immediately, you'll be greeted with information on the website, starting with monthly visits, which provides a general idea of the website's traffic volume. But don't stop there. Take a second to explore further metrics and insights, such as traffic sources, which give a good indication of how visitors are finding the site. By following these steps, you've not only installed a fantastic tool, but you've also empowered yourself with the knowledge to analyze website traffic with ease. Remember, access to accurate web analytics can be a game changer, whether you're conducting market research or simply satisfying your curiosity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide as exciting and useful as I do.